Hey folks, this is Dragon from Aussie Survival in conjunction with Survival HQ. I've been invited down by some friends to have a look at a bushcraft exercise, building a swing bridge across a stream. And it was only completed yesterday, was it?
Yeah, day before yesterday.
So I'm standing on it now, and there's the stream here, and this is very similar to the bridges, although there are many different designs, to what I used to build when I was a kid. The advantage of these are, it's taken an adult weight, particularly good for streams like this, or where you've got steep banks, where the camera operator is, and of course behind me, very steep bank there, so you need to cross these, particularly for carrying heavy loads, and these types of bridges are more of a permanent type situation. It makes it a lot easier and a lot safer to cross streams such as this with steep banks, and of course as the water level rises and lowers, ebbs and flows and so on. The timber used in this is privet, which is very good timber, and it takes a long time to decay after it's cut. But we have a look at the, some of these are probably about 2 inches in diameter, you'd say.
Yeah, 2 or 3 inches.
Good and strong. The bark on them is, when it's dry, it's non-slip. The support ropes on these are nylon, and they've got to be retention because nylon rope has a habit of stretching after use. So that's one of the things you've got to look at when you're using nylon rope or similar materials. The way these are being tied down to them, 2 nylon runners, rope runners. These have been wired with very thin wire, and some of them actually been tied down with looks like British twine or something very similar. But you can see I'm swinging on this. It's very, very strong. So this swing bridge is very good for adults. I believe there were 3 adults on this the other day. Is that right?
That's right, 3 of them. Yeah.
It's very good for heavy loads. So when you're looking at loading on these, you've got to look at the materials you're using to make sure that they can take the load and don't break when somebody's on it and get themselves hurt. So a bit different to the designs I used to build when I was a kid, but swing bridges, many different designs for different situations, and this one needs retensioning. It's only been newly built, so that's part of the maintenance on these, I guess. So that's great. It's quite stable actually to walk on. As I walk towards the camera, yes, it's sagging a bit, but as I said, these ropes need retensioning, so that'll be done, and maybe I can come down sometime and take another video and still picture when she's being tensioned up. So that's good. The water's right under me, about probably 18 inches of water. Keeps it dry. And when she's tensioned up, you can get a walk up onto the steep bank behind me here. And this is great. This is really great. And this is just using materials that were available. And the camera operator's probably a generation older than me, but we did these sort of things when we were kids. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's great.
Right there.
Alright, thanks very much for watching, folks.